Good morning to all. I am Ajay. Welcome back to Let Us Learn. This is your online classroom. Before begin our today's class, let us take few minutes to quickly revise what we have learned in the last two sessions. As part of our journey with English grammar, we focused on articles, one of the most important areas in grammar. We learned all about articles and some interesting ways to use them in speaking and writing. So, what are articles? What they do? How to use them? Yes, articles are words that define a noun as specific or unspecific. So, we used articles before nouns. Okay, they define. Articles define a noun as specific or unspecific. Specific means particular, unspecific means in general. So, based on this, articles can be divided into two types. Okay, so articles are words that define a noun as specific or unspecific. Based on this, whether noun is specific or unspecific, whether a noun is particular or it is general. So based on this, articles can be divided into two categories. Those are called definite article and indefinite articles. So how many articles are there? Yes, three articles: a, an, and the. So these three articles, based on their use, can be classified into two categories, two types. So one is indefinite article and second one is definite article. Here a or an are called as indefinite article. So indefinite article means used for nouns, used before nouns in singular cases. Okay, not specific. Okay, not for general use we use indefinite article a or an. So the is called definite article. So the is used for specific nouns. So a or an. So again, their usage is different. So a or an is commonly used before singular nouns, as we have discussed in the previous session. For example, a novel, an interesting book, a writer, an inspiring book. What is the difference between a or an? So somewhere for some nouns we use a, for some nouns we use an. Why? Yes. So based on the sound, based on the sounds of the words we use a or an. So a is the article used before consonant sounds. For example, a novel. So na, that is a consonant sound. First letter of the word is na, that is a consonant sound. So a should be used before consonant sounds and should be used before vowel sound. For example, an interesting book, interesting e, that is a vowel sound. Okay, an inspiring book e, like that. So based on sounds, not letters. So there may be a misconception that vowels should be used before vowel letters and a article a should be used before consonant letters, and a and should be used before vowel letters. That is a misconception. Okay, articles, usage of articles is not based on vowel sound, vowel letters. It is based on vowel sounds. Always keep in mind vowel sounds or consonant sounds. Okay, sound of the words, that is the most important, not the first letter of the words, first sound of the words. So based on that we can use a or an based on the sound. A novel, na, so that is n, sound is na, letter is n, but we don't focus on letters, we only focus on sound. Na, that is a vowel consonant sound, not vowel consonant sound. So before consonant sounds we use a, and before vowel sounds we use an. So keep in mind, a is used before a singular noun which begins with consonant sound, not letter. Always keep in mind. A balloon, a champion, a drum, a fan, a hat, a jug, a kite. Observe all these first sound. In all these words, the first sound is consonant sound. So that's why we use a balloon, a champion. And observe a European, a 1 rupee coin, a university student, a shoe-shaped cow, a unique. Observe all these words. These words begin with vowel letter, but sound is important here. A European. So first letter is vowel, but sound is important here. What is the sound? European. U. That is a consonant sound. So we use a European. 1 rupee coin. One, begin this first letter is O. That is a vowel letter, but sound is important here. One wa. That is a consonant sound. So we use 1 rupee coin. A university students like a U-shaped cow, not an university, not an U-shape. Okay, keep in mind. A unique, that is sound is important. U, that is a consonant sound. So we use a. So like that. So we use an is used before a singular noun which begins vowel sound. Okay, before consonant sounds we use a. So before vowel sounds we use an apprentice, an apple, an electrician, an eraser, an island. Observe all these sounds and letters are vowel. Okay, we focused only on sounds. For example, an MLC, an MLA, an honest politician, an honorable family, an SBI employee, like that. Observe. So all these letters begin with consonant letters. First letter is consonant. M, H, honorable, H, SBI, S. These are consonant letters. But we don't focus on consonant letters, consonant sounds. Sounds, not letters. Sounds is important. Okay, all letters are consonant letters, but sound is important. What is the sound? An MLC, M, MLC, A. Sound is A. First letter, first sound is A. So that is a vowel sound. That's why we use an MLC. Next, MLA. Observe. Letter is M. That is a vowel letter, but sound is important here. MLA, A, not MLA. MLA. A is a vowel sound. So we use an MLA. Next, honest politician. Observe. Honest politician. So first letter is H. That is a vowel letter. Sorry, consonant letter, but not letter. Focused on only sound. Honest politician. Observe the sound. H is silent here. Honest, not honest. Okay, honest. H is silent. So honest, vowel sound. So we use an honest politician. Next one as well. Honorable family. So here also it's silent. Honorable, vowel sound. SBI employee. SBI. Observe. Not S. Only S. A. So letter is consonants letter. So letter is consonant, but sound is important here. S, not S. S, A. So that is vowel. So that's why we use an. So A is used before consonant sounds. An is used before vowel sounds. That is the difference between A and an. These two are called as indefinite article. Next, second one is definite article. That is the. The is used before nouns that are particular or referred to. So already we have discussed a noun, pronouns, articles are words that define a noun as particular or general, specific or unspecific. So unspecific, general. For unspecific nouns, general nouns, we use a or an. Those are called as indefinite article. For specific nouns, so those are particular, we use definite article the. Okay, that are used particular or referred to. If you want to refer the same noun again, then we use definite article. Okay, so we have seen a lot of example in the last sessions. the shop, the owner, the article. Here observe the shop, the means here particular shop. Okay, the owner, a particular owner, we are talking about a particular owner, a specific owner. The article, specific article. Okay, the one about whom I told you, the one about whom I told you. Here we are referring to the person again. The one means the person whom I told you again. I told you earlier. So now I am referring him again. So in this case we use the, a particular, or if you want to refer the noun again, then we use the. Okay, this is all about articles. So we have learned different ways of um, uh, these articles, indefinite article and definite article, where we have to use indefinite article and where we should not use indefinite article. Likewise, where we have to use definite article, the, where we should not use definite article, the. We have learned all about with examples in the last two sessions. Okay, so today we will focus on exercises. We will do some exercises on article, because it helps us to check what we have learnt in the last two sessions on articles. Okay, we begin our session with some exercises. Those are helpful to check our understanding level. Okay, so before beginning our exercises, let us have let us read a small poem and observe the use of articles in the poem. My wish is to soar like a bird in the sky of freedom, to swim like a fish in the ocean of love, to race like a war horse in the realm of brotherhood, and to dream like a boy when I am alone, and see a beautiful world, peace and harmony, a united world without walls, where a man lives like a real human being. Okay. Once again, read the poem. My wish is to soar like a bird, observe like a bird in the sky of freedom, to swim like a fish in the ocean of love, to race like a war horse in the realm of brotherhood, and to dream like a boy when I am alone, and see a beautiful world of peace and harmony, a united world without walls, where a man lives like a real human being. Okay, here observe the use of articles. So a bird, so indefinite article, a bird, that is a consonant letter, not specific. A bird, general. In the sky, observe the sky, that is unique. So already we have learned where we have to use definite article. So unique, sky is a unique. The sky, swim like a fish. The ocean, so ocean is also unique. Before names of oceans and before names of rivers and chain of mountains, we use definite article the, as we have learned in the previous session. The sky, like, okay, the ocean, the sea, the Bay of Bengal, the Indian Ocean, like that. To race like a war house, a war house. In the realm of brotherhood, realm is kingdom. In the kingdom, in the realm of brotherhood. And to dream like a boy when I am alone, and see a beautiful world, peace and harmony, a united world without walls. United world, observe. United worlds, here only we focus on sound. U, united world. First letter is U, that is a vowel letter, but we focus on sounds. What is the sound? United, U, that is a consonant sound. So we use a, not an. Like when a man lives like a real human being. Okay, let us go for some exercises to check our learning. First one, fill in the blanks with a or an. As you know, a or an are indefinite articles where we have to use a, where we have to use an. Okay, let us dash. So read the blanks. 5 blanks are there in the first exercise. Read them and write correct articles before the nouns. Dash ant is dash industrious creature. We can't live without dash fans nowadays. Fan nowadays. Abdul Kalam is extraordinary man. Dash apple dash day keeps the doctor away. ATM is useful machine. Here write appropriate articles. Okay, check your answers. An ant is an industrious creature. Here, so as you know, articles are used before singular nouns. Indefinite article a or an is called as indefinite article. They used before singular nouns. Here, what are the nouns in the first one? Ant, that is a noun, singular. So we use a or an. So which can we use? An ant, because focus on the sound. Ant, that is a vowel sound. So before vowel sounds we use an, before consonant sounds we use a. Okay, right. An ant is an industrious creature. Industrious means hardworking. Industrious is a vowel sound in e. Industrious. So an industrious creature. Now we can't live without a fan nowadays. Without a fan, not an fan, a fan, because that is a fan, consonant sound. Okay, a fan. Abdul Kalam is an extraordinary man. An extraordinary. Observe vowel sound, extraordinary vowel sound. So we use an. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. An apple. Observe, apple is a singular noun. So apple, that begins with vowel sound. An apple. A day keeps doctor away. A day, that is also consonant sound. So we use a. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Next, an ATM is a useful machine. ATM, that is a singular noun. So observe the sound. Focus on the sound of the noun. So that is begins with vowel sound. So we use an ATM, not a ATM. Okay, an ATM. Now let us move to second exercise. Same, fill in the blanks with indefinite articles a or an. Next, honest man is always respected. Second one, Amitabh Bachchan is dash famous actor. Sarojini Naidu was dash a great poet. The Ramayana is dash epic. Are you dash vegetarian? Here, write the appropriate articles, indefinite article before the nouns. Okay, now check your answers. Yes, an honest man is always respected. First one, not a honest man, an honest man. Here observe the sound. Honest, that begins with a consonant letter, but sound is important. Okay, sound is important. We focus only on sounds while using articles. Before consonant sounds we use a, before vowel sounds we use an, not consonant letters, not vowel letters. Focus only on sounds. Here, honest, that begin with the word begin with consonant letter, but sound is important. What is the sound? Honest. Here H is silent. So an honest, not honest. H is silent, honest. So vowel sound. So before vowel sound we use an. An honest man is always respected. Next, Amitabh Bachchan is famous actor. A famous actor, not an famous actor. A, because famous, that is a consonant sound. So letter is also consonant letter F, but we are always focused on sounds. Famous. What is the first sound? Consonant sound. So before consonant sounds, we use A. Next, Sarojini Naidu was a great poet. A great poet. Great consonant sound. So before consonant sounds, we use A. Next one, the Ramayana is an epic. Observe, the Ramayana is an epic. An epic. Epic. That is a vowel sound A. Epic A. So vowel sound A. So we use an epic, not a epic, because epic begins with vowel sound. So before vowel sounds we use an. Next, are you a vegetarian? So are you a vegetarian? Yes, here there is also typographical error. We have to keep what is the question mark at the end of the sentence, but we keep a full stop. So are you a vegetarian? Question mark should be there. Okay. Are you a vegetarian? Vegetarian, that is a begins with vowel, not vowel, consonant sound. So before consonant sound we use A. Next one, some activity like observe the two sentences in the exercise. He is MLA and dash man of principles. Second one, he dash honest man. He hasn't got dash house of his own. Here, use appropriate articles in the blanks. Now check your answers. Fill in the blanks with A or and same. So check your answers. He is an MLA and a man of principles. Observe an MLA. So observe here. Why we use an S? MLA, that is begins with vowel sound. MLA, M is a consonant letter, but we only focus on sounds. So an MLA, MLA A. So A is a vowel sound. So we use an MLA. Next, a man of principles. A man. That is a vowel consonant sound, not vowel sound. Consonant sound. So before consonant sounds we use A. He is an honest man. Honest. An honest, because H is silent here. So an honest man. Honest is begin with vowel sound. He hasn't got a house of his own. He hasn't got a house of a house. Okay, because consonant sound. Let us move to another exercise. Okay. Fill in the blanks with a, an, or the, and have fun. Here we can use three articles. So read the paragraph and use appropriate article before the nouns in the paragraph. It is some fun, and you can have a fun while reading the article. Official was arrested for accepting dash bribe from dash contractor when one of his friends who went to meet him at dash police station and asked him, "How are you going to get out of this problem?" Dash official gave simple reply. He said, "I was arrested for accepting dash bribe and I will give out of it by giving dash same." Here. Now check your answers. So now check your answers. Here, an official was arrested. An official is a noun. So we use an official, because that begin with vowel sound. So an official was arrested for accepting a bribe. Okay, a bribe is begins with consonant sounds. A bribe from a contractor we are using first time contractor, that is begins with consonant sound. So an official was arrested for accepting a bribe from a contractor when one of his friends who went to meet him at the police station asked him. Here we use the police station. Why should we use the police station? Yes, that is a familiar. Already we have learned in definite article, where we have to use definite article. One of the rule is the railway station, the police station, because those are noun are familiar to us. So we have to use the police station, not a police station, not an police station. The police station. Okay, the commissioner, like the railway station, because they are familiar to us. We went to meet him at the police station. One of the rule is, so the is used before nouns, those are familiar to us. Okay, the police station asked him, how are you going to get out of the problem? Who asked? His friend asked. The friend of contractor asked. Okay, how are you going to get out of this problem? The official gave a simple reply. Here observe, in the first line we use an official. Here we use the official. Why should we use the? So that is also one rule. So the is a definite article that is used specific. So official is a specific. Already we have mentioned official. So again we are talking about the same official. So we are referring to again. So when we are referring to the nouns again, then we have to use indefinite article, that is the, referring to again. When we have to referring the same nouns again, in that case we have to use definite article, that is the. So that's why we use here the official. In the first line we use an official, that is indefinite article. Coming to second time we are going to speak about the same official, so we are referring him again. In that case we use definite article. The official gave a simple reply. Observe, simple reply. He said, I was arrested for accepting the bribe. You see, observe, the bribe. So in the first line, in the first sentence we use a bribe. So here we use the bribe because we are referring the bribe again. We are referring the noun again. So that's why we use definite article the. So what the conductor said? He said, I was arrested for accepting the bribe, and I will get out of it by giving the same. The same means here, same also known as bribe. Giving the same bribe. So again we are referring to it. That's why we have to use definite article. So next let us move to another exercise. Same, fill in the blanks with articles and enjoy the joke. Once dash customer went to the dog seller and asked for dash good dog. Dog seller showed dash beautiful pet dog and said that it was very costly. Customer asked why. Dog seller then said that it was faithful dog. The customer asked, how can you say that it is a faithful? Then dog seller made a slip of the tongue and said, I have sold it 10 times to different persons, but it has come back to me again and again. So observe the joke. Okay, here see what are the nouns here? Customer, dog seller, dog. Okay, these are nouns. So before nouns we use articles. So based on the usage, whether it is specific or unspecific, based on them we use different articles. Okay, Now fill the gaps with fill the blanks with different articles. Okay, now let's check answers. Once a customer went to a dog seller. Once a customer went to a dog seller. So a customer, a dog seller. We are introducing them first time. So we use a customer, not specific now. Okay. Went to a dog seller and asked for a dog. Ask for a good dog. Observe. A customer, a dog seller, and asks for a good dog. Observe the articles here. The dog seller showed a beautiful pet dog. Here observe. The dog seller. So in the first line we use a dog seller. Again here we using the dog seller. What's the difference between? Yes, second time we are referring the dog seller again. So in that case we use definite article the. Okay. So in the second sentence, the dog seller, not a dog seller, because already we mentioned dog seller. So again we are going to refer him again. In that case we use definite article the. So the dog seller showed a beautiful pet dog. A beautiful pet dog. Okay, we are referring first time, not referring. We are mentioning it first time. A beautiful pet dog. A beautiful, and said that it was very costly. Next, the customer asked. Observe the customer. First line we use a customer. Now you are again referring him again. So we use the customer asked why. The dog seller then said that it was the faithful dog. Observe the different uses of articles. Okay. Again, here we are refer the nouns again. So in that case we have to use definite article. That's why here we use the dog seller. Then ask then said that it was the faithful dog. The customer asked, how can you say that it is faithful? Then the dog seller made a slip of tongue and said, I have sold it to 10 times to different persons, but it has come back to me again and again. So yeah, in this joke, observe the usage of articles. In the first case, we use indefinite articles. Then again, we refer the same customer, dog seller, and dog. We refer to again. So in that case, again we use definite article. That is the next one. Go to another exercise. Sixth one. This is sixth one. Fill in the blanks with a, an, or the in the following riddle. It is a puzzle to you. Okay, what is the question here? Dash truck driver is going in dash wrong direction in dash one-way street. Police officer sees him but doesn't stop him. Why doesn't dash police officer stop him? Because why doesn't the police officer stop him? Because dash truck driver is walking. Okay, you can have fun in the riddle. So now check your answers. A truck driver is going in a wrong direction in a one-way street. Observe, a truck driver, that is a unspecific. Okay, we are introducing him first. A truck driver is going in a wrong direction. A wrong direction. So a, not an. In a one-way street. A one-way street. Observe, a one-way street. Why we use a one-way street? So O is the first letter of the word one way. O is a vowel letter, but we use a because we have to always focus on not letters, focus only on sounds. One way, va, that is a consonant sound. So we use a. Before consonant sounds we use a, before vowel sounds we use an. So one-way street, not an one-way street, a one-way street. A truck driver is going in a wrong direction in a one-way street. A police officer sees him but doesn't stop him. A police officer, observe, a police officer, so mentioning him. A police officer sees him but doesn't stop him. Why doesn't the police officer stop him? That's the question. Here also we have to put question mark at the end of the statement. Why doesn't the police officer stop him? Here observe the police officer. So before sentence we use a police officer. Again we are referring to the police officer again. So here we use the, okay, definite article. During specific or referring again we have to use definite article. So a police officer in the second sentence, and that become the police officer because we are referring the police officer again. A truck driver is going in a wrong direction in a one-way street. A police officer sees him but doesn't stop him. Why doesn't the police officer stop him? Yes, because the truck driver is walking. Because why? Because he is walking. That's why the police officer doesn't stop him. Okay. The truck driver, observe the first sentence, a truck driver. Again we are talking about the same truck driver. That's why we use the truck driver. Okay. That is. Now move to another exercise. Fill in the blanks with a, an, or the. I have studied government school. Ram is dash enterprising businessman. Dash idea can change your life. Krish dash cleverest boy in dash class. Mary is Australian but her husband is dash European. Okay. Fill in the blanks with suitable article. Now check your answers. The first one, have studied in a government school. Studied in a government school. Okay. A government school, not the government school, not an government school. A government school. Okay. It is not specific. Next, Ram is an enterprising businessman. Ram is an enterprising. Okay, that is a word begins with, that is a noun begins with vowel sound. So before vowel sounds we use an. Ram is an enterprising businessman. Next, an idea can change your life. An idea. Idea is a noun. So begins with vowel sound. So that's why we use an idea. If you want to refer the same idea, then we use the idea. Next sentence. If you refer same idea, the next sentence, then we use the idea. Okay. Here an idea can change your life. Next, Krish is the cleverest boy in the class. Observe, Krish is the cleverest boy in the class. Why should we use the before cleverest? So already we have discussed, that is a rule. Before superlative degrees we have to use definite article the. That is one rule before superlative degrees. So in adjectives, all adjectives has 3 degrees: positive, comparative and superlative. So before superlative degrees we have to use the. That is one rule. So Krish is the cleverest boy in the class. So in the class, because one class we are referring to some one class, not a specific unspecific class. This is a particular class. Krish is the cleverest boy in the class where he was studying in the class. So that is a specific class, particular class. Okay, that's why we use definite article the. Next, Mary is an Australian but her husband is a European. Here observe, Australian and European, both are nouns where we should use a, where we should use an. Okay, Australian, European. Okay, Australian, that is a noun begins with vowel sound. So before vowel sounds we use an Australian. European, observe, European. that is a noun, begins with vowel letter. So E is a vowel letter, but never focused on letters. That's a common mistake. What we have to do regularly, only focus on sounds. Even though it is begin with vowel letter, sound is important. What is the sound? European, U. That is consonant sound, U. Yeah. Okay. European, that is a consonant sound. So before consonant sounds we use A. Okay. Mary is an Australian, but her husband is a European. Observe the difference between where we have to use A and where we have to use an. Next, let us move to another example. Dash more you learn, dash more you benefit. Next one. Mukesh Ambani is dash Bill Gates of India. Dash blind, dash deaf, dash dumb, lead, dash difficult life. I met SI last week to discuss the problem. Shakespeare is one of greatest dramatists. Okay. Now fill with correct prepositions. Check answers. Next, first one. The more you learn, the more you benefit. Observe. The more. Why should we use the before more? And why should we use the before more? Two cases. So one rule is there. Already we have discussed in the previous session. Before comparatives, when they are repeated, we use definite article. Before comparatives here, the more is comparative. The more you learn, that is again repeat, the more you benefit. More you learn, more you benefit. These are comparatives, they are repeated. In that case we have to use definite article. Keep in mind, this is one rule. Before comparatives, when they are repeated, we have to use definite article. That's why the more you use, the more you benefit. More is repeated, so that's why we use the more you learn, the more you benefit. Next one. Mukesh Ambani is the Bill Gates of India. Mukesh Ambani is the Bill Gates of India. So why we use the before Bill Gates? Okay. Here observe, already we have discussed one rule where we have to use definite article. So here Bill Gates is a proper noun, but here we used as a common noun. Okay. Mukesh Ambani is the Bill Gates of India. The Bill Gates. The Bill Gates is a proper noun, but he, in this case, in this sentence, we used it as a common noun. So in that case, we use definite article. Okay, that is already we have seen some examples. Siddharth is the Sachin of our team. Like Sachin is a proper noun, but in the example we use it as a common noun. Like that, Bill Gates is a proper noun, but in this sentence we use it as a common noun. Mukesh Ambani is the Bill Gates of India. Next, the blind, the deaf, and the dumb lead a difficult life. Here observe. Why should we use the blind, the deaf, the dumb? So this blind, deaf, dumb, these are adjectives. Okay, but we use place before adjective. Okay, that give a, that is used as a noun. Here blind, deaf, dumb, these are adjectives, but in this example they are used as a nouns. So that in that case we use definite article. The blind means blind people. Blind is adjective, but in this case the blind means the blind people. The deaf is a adjective, but here in this case we used as a noun. The deaf means the deaf people or deaf persons. Next, the dumb is also a adjective, but in this case we used it as a noun. The dumb means dumb people, like that. In that case we use definite article. So when an adjective that is used as a noun, in that case we have to use definite article. That is the rule. The blind, the deaf, and the dumb lead a difficult life. A difficult life. Okay, as you know, difficult life is a difficult life. Begin with vowel, not consonant sound, not vowel sound, consonant sound. I met an SI last week to discuss the problem. Here, observe. I met an SI last week to discuss the problem. Why should we use an SI? Why didn't we use a SI? Yes, SI. S is a consonant letter, but we have to focus on sounds. SI. What is the sound? Vowel sound. A begins SI, not SI. SI. A vowel sound. So before vowel sound, we use an SI. Next, Shakespeare is the one of the greatest dramatist. One of the greatest dramatist. Why do we use the greatest? Yes, greatest is a superlative degree. So before superlative degrees, we use definite article the. So that's why we use the greatest. That is one rule. Next, here correct the following sentences. Ramayana is a epic. Eat at least an fruit daily. Suma is an popular anchor. Sun rises in east. North Indians take rotis for the lunch. These are some sentences. Correct them with suitable articles. Now check your answers. Okay. So here the Ramayana is an interesting epic. Observe. So Ramayana, that is a noun. So before we noun, what we used, definite article the. Why should we use the Ramayana? Why don't we use a Ramayana? Because Ramayana is a holy book. Okay. Before religious holy books, we have to use definite article. The Ramayana, the Mahabharata, the Bhagavad Gita, the Bible, the Quran. Like so, Ramayana is a holy book. Religious importance. The book has religious importance. So before those books, we have to use definite article the. Okay. The Ramayana is an epic, not a epic. An epic, because epic, okay, begins with vowel sound. Epic. So before vowel sounds, we use an. Okay, right. Next, eat at least a fruit daily. A fruit daily. Eat at least a fruit daily. A fruit. Fruit is a noun. So that is a not specific. General. A fruit is a general. So in general sense, we use indefinite article a or an. So fruit, that begins with consonant sounds, not vowel sound. Consonant sound. Fruit is a begins with consonant sounds. So before consonant sounds, we use a. Next one. Suma is a popular anchor. Observe, Suma is a popular anchor. A popular anchor. Popular. So that is begins with consonant sound. So before consonant sounds, we use a. A popular anchor. Next, the sun rises in the east. Observe, we use the sun, the east. Why should we use the sun, the east? Why don't we use a sun, a east? Because nouns that are specific, unique. The sun, that is a unique. The sun, the moon. So before those, we have to use definite article. The sun, unique. The sun is a unique. Okay, that specific. Star, the sun rises in the east, the west, like. Okay, that is one example. Here observe. Next one. North Indians take rotis for lunch. What we have, what is there in the exercise? North Indians take rotis for the lunch. Observe, for the lunch. Here, what is the correct one? North Indians take rotis for lunch. For lunch, need not use for the lunch. Before meals. Before means need not use definite article. So that's why you delete here, the lunch becomes lunch. So if you want to refer it again, then we can use definite article. North Indians take rotis for lunch. For lunch, for breakfast, for dinner, for supper. Not for the dinner, for the supper, for the lunch. Okay, if you want to repeat it again, in that case we can use the lunch. But here in this case, we simply use for lunch, for dinner, okay, for supper, for lunch. If you want to use it again, if you want to refer it again, then we can use the lunch. The lunch was very delicious. Like, the North Indians take rotis for lunch. The lunch was delicious. Here we are referring the lunch again. In that case we can use the lunch. But in the first case we need not use the lunch, the breakfast, the supper. Only without definite article we have to write meals without definite article. If you want to refer it again, then we can use definite article the. Next, let us move to another exercise. 10th exercise. Okay, correct the following sentences. Do you like to play violin? Onions cost 20 kilogram. I interviewed dash MP in dash evening. A Krishna flows through the Telangana and AP. This is the place where accident happened. Here, check your answers. Very simple at what we have discussed in the last two sessions, and we have also we discussed some of the aspects in this session also. Do you like to play violin? What's the correct one? Yes. Do you like to play the violin? Why should we use the violin? Because before musical instruments we have to use the. Keep in mind, that is one rule. Do you like to play the violin? Krishna plays the flute. Okay, like that. Before musical instrument, when it is in singular, not plural, singular, you have to use definite article the. Do you like to play the flute? Krish plays the flute. Like, onions cost 20 rupees a kilogram. Okay, onions cost 20 kilogram is wrong. 20 a kilogram. A means here each. Each kg onions cost 20 rupees. That is the meaning. In the case of each, we have to use indefinite article a. Here a means each. Onions cost 20 rupees each kilogram. Okay, each kilogram. Each means here a. Okay. I interviewed an MP in the evening. Observe, I interviewed an MP. Why should I use an MP? Yes, MP begins with a consonant letter, but sound is important. We have to focus sound, only sound, on sound. Based on the sound, we have to use suitable article, whether A or an MP. Even though it is begins with consonant letter, sound is MPA. MPA is a vowel letter. So vowel sound, not vowel letter, vowel sound. MP A is a vowel letter. So before vowel letters we have to use an. Okay, I interviewed an MP in the evening. So already we have discussed. So time phrases, we have to use definite article, the morning, the evening, in the night. Okay, all time phrases we have to use definite article the. I interviewed an MP in the evening. Check your answers. Next, the Krishna flows through the Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. AP means Andhra Pradesh. Why should we use the Krishna instead of a Krishna? Yes, before names of rivers, names of seas, we have to use definite article the. So that's why we use the Krishna, the Godavari, the Sarayu. Okay, the Yamuna, the Krishna, The Krishna is the river. Krishna is the river. So before names of the river we use the Krishna, the Yamuna, the Sarayu. That is also names of the river. Where is Sarayu? Yes, in Ayodhya. Okay, the Sarayu flows through the Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. Next one. This is the place where accident happened. Here observe. This is the exercise. This is a place where accident happened. That is wrong. This is the place where accident is happened. Why we use the place? Because we are referring it again. Okay. This is the place where accident happened. We are talking about accident, so we are referring the place. So that's why we use the place. That is the rule. Okay. We are referring the place again. We are talking about the accident and where it was happened. So we are referring the place. So when we refer to some noun, we have to use definite article the. This is so about this exercise. This is the place where accident happened. Do you like to play the violin? The violin. Okay. Before musical instrument singular. Onions cost 20 rupees a kilogram. A kilogram means each kilogram. I interviewed an MP in the evening. An MP vowel sound. So we use an. The evening, the morning. Before time phrases we have to use the definite article. The Krishna flows to the Telangana and AP. The Krishna. Before names of rivers we have to use definite article. Next, this is the place where accident happened. Okay. This is the place. We are referring the place again. So that's why we use the place. So this is all about articles. Okay. For the last session we have focused on articles. It's one of the most important aspect in English grammar. We learnt about articles. What are articles? And what different types of articles? Where they have to used and some rules. Okay. In some places where we have to use definite articles, where we should not use definite articles, and where we have used indefinite article and where we should not use indefinite articles. We have learned all with examples, and in this lesson we have done some exercises to check our understanding level. Okay. Thank you for listening this class. The next session we will meet with another uh, lesson. Signing off.
నేను పిచ్చుకుంటూ కొట్టాలండి